The GetHairMD program is meant to treat several different kinds of hair loss. Certainly male and female pattern baldness, which is, men losing hair here on the top, going back and ending up eventually sort of with a horseshoe type shape. In women, and I see a lot more women than I see men, it's sort of a generalized thinness of the hair, but a lot of times it starts as more thinness down the top here. I mean, everyone's hair gets thinner with age, but that's generally what we see. Now, most people know that a few years ago, and it's still happening, we saw tons of post-COVID hair loss, pretty dramatic. I've seen it in friends. Nowadays, what's very common, and you probably have seen this too, is hair loss associated with tremendous weight loss with these GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic, and part of the really malnutrition as you're digesting your own body, and that's where your energy is coming from when you're not eating. That's not good for your hair, right? And another type of hair loss that pretty much everyone is familiar with is postpartum hair loss. And it can take a long time to come back. So a lot of patients want to do something as quickly as possible if it's a situation where hair might come back. But there are a lot of situations where if you don't do anything, you're going to lose more or all of it more often in the case of men. What we're trying to do is really either prevent or arrest the hair loss at a certain stage and then try to back it up, getting the hair follicles to act like, and under microscope look like, the hair follicles used to look like. But once they're gone, they're gone. And then your only choice is a hair transplant. But in some people, that's not even a choice. So this is preventative, and while you still have hair and it's only thinning, we're trying to reverse that. And in some cases, we can reverse it completely.